To lift the handle, press down on the red tab and lift the handle to the desired height. You can now wheel the unit around. The system comes with two microphones. Both are labelled as mic 1 and the other one is labelled mic 2. To change the batteries, unscrew the bottom compartment and replace with two AA batteries. This button turns it on. A red light will come on and then go off, meaning that the microphone has sufficient charge. If the light stays on continuously, that's an indicator to change your batteries. The whole system is operated by turning on one power button. These settings have already been set for you, but the only ones that you're really concerned with are the master volume, the treble and the bass. Take note to leave the bass and the treble at the 12 o'clock position, as too much bass will rob you of clarity. The master volume is usually kept at about 12 o'clock to 3/4. That's usually sufficient for any assembly. You then have two individual volumes for the two microphones, mic 1 and mic 2. These can be adjusted to your desired volume. To operate the system, turn it on, wait for the lights to stop flashing, turn on your microphone, and we're now ready to talk. As I'm using microphone 1, you can see that the light on the receiver has gone blue. This means that it's receiving my signal from the microphone. I can adjust the volume with this volume control to any desired volume that I wish. To operate the CD player, the volume control is also the on-off button. Simply push this button and the welcome window will come on. Place a CD into the CD player. It will now read the CD. To play the CD, push play. The volume may be adjusted to your desired volume.
Dog goes woo, cat goes
To change the tracks, use the previous or next cue button, or you may use the handheld remote control as well. To operate music with the Bluetooth player, we're now going to pair up our phone using the Bluetooth receiver. Let's go to settings on your phone and make sure that Bluetooth is on. To link your phone to the Bluetooth receiver, hit the link button and it will come up on your Bluetooth phone as Bluetooth speaker. Select the Bluetooth speaker. It will now say connected. You can preset the Bluetooth volume with this volume control and now play a song from your phone. You can now adjust the volume of your phone. The Bluetooth distance is good for about 5 to 10 meters. Beyond this, you may experience a cutout. Your Chiayo speaker can also play music from a USB stick. Make sure that your songs have been saved in an MP3 format. Push the stick into the slot, it will automatically read it. And you can adjust the volume of the USB music with this volume control. And you can stop the song accordingly. You may also use the USB stick to record your presentation. Push the red record button. Record will come up. Turn your microphone on. We can now talk into the microphone and record. Push stop and it will automatically play your recording. We can now talk into the microphone and record. You can then remove your USB stick, place it into a computer and email your presentation or burn it to a CD as you desire. Cable microphones may also be used just by plugging it into the microphone input, turning it on and adjusting your volume with the mic volume control. Another way of playing music is by using the summing cable. Insert the red into the red and the white into the white into the line input. This plug can be inserted into an iPhone or any tablet or iPad. You can then control the volume of that music by using the line volume. To recharge your unit, make sure that the power button is in the off position. plug in the supplied cable and a red light will flash. This indicates that the unit is now on charge. You may leave the unit on charge overnight. On returning to work the next day, the light will be green, indicating that the battery is fully charged. Continuous use of the unit will give you about 6 to 7 hours of operating time. In the case supplied, you will find an infrared remote control for the CD player, a remote control for your USB recorder or Bluetooth player, the summing lead to play music from a tablet or phone, a recharge cable, and your 2 microphones, which have been labelled Mic 1 and Mic 2. When using the PA4 assemblies, open your speaker stand, hand tighten, adjust the pole to the desired height, usually the 3rd hole is enough, and place your speaker on top. For speech work, make sure that the speaker is on the speaker stand. The speaker should be placed approximately head height, and this will give you maximum coverage for your audio.